Christina. Party, can you state your name, please?
Andrew Party.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment in this matter. We do. We don't have discovery, Judge.
Cause conference. Will be adjourned. To December 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Party.
Thank you.
Case People versus Jimmy Lee Perry.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Jimmy Perry. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Jimmy Perry.
Sorry, Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment in this matter. And it looks like there may be a conflict. So our office is looking more into that. And I did discuss the bond violation.
At least for the purposes of the violation, do you know about the violation?
I do know about the violation, Your Honor.
Why don't we address that, and that way I can figure out how long I'll put it out.
Okay. So it looks like, from what I see, that the intake was on the 21st, which is the first day of the violation. And then the next one was for the 24th. So from what best that we could tell is that the chemicals are still getting out of his system.
Really? 21st to the 24th. He's testing positive, but it's getting out of his system.
Well,
So if I send him for a test right now, what would happen?
oh, he's saying yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
He said what?
He would be negative, yes.
Yeah, I bet. Why is he testing positive anyway?
I haven't, Your Honor, I got too much going on. There's no way I'm gonna jeopardize what I got going on, but JLP World Enterprise. What we have to offer is a holding company for Green Flow Equity Group. Restaurant owners need this. It's revolutionary, and we crossing the whole United States with this.
So I think he's saying, Your
What
Honor,
is he talking about?
I think he's saying that he will test negative, Your Honor.
What?
He will test negative.
But why was he testing positive?
Well, Your Honor, we don't want to discuss that without having a hearing.
You want a hearing?
No. Hold on, Your Honor.
He's either going to admit to the violation or we're going to have a hearing.
I haven't done anything, of course.
He said before he was jailed, he did take cocaine and fentanyl, Your Honor.
What extra thing?
Well, it sounds like
Do
it was.
you really want me to get the numbers to see if they've gone down? Because if I get the numbers and they haven't gone down, we're going to have a real problem.
It's my lap. You want this there? You want this one? No. Nothing. What if they want? Yeah, before. Absolutely.
I guess we're gonna have to get those numbers, yeah.
Well, I don't know if I can get them today. All right. Well, here's what I'll do.
I would just say, he was arrested on the 19th. He would have a positive 5 days after he was arrested, which I understand there's a couple days, but 5 days, in my experience, way outside.
Way outside, exactly, for these two.
I understand what they're saying. They're saying that it should still be in the system level.
Haven't done anything.
Well, I'll tell you what. Does he want a hearing?
I haven't done anything.
Okay, sounds like he wants to hear it, Your Honor.
You want a hearing? All right. I'll set a bond violation hearing, as well as I'll set his probable cause conference. I'll set that for December 11th. Give it a week out. Hopefully we get everybody here. December 11th, 2025 at 3 p.m. In the interim, pending that hearing, defendant's bond is hereby ordered revoked. Defendant's remain.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Courthouse case, People versus Mary Ropp.
And Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Ms. Rapp. Ms. Rapp, can you please state your name for the record?
Mary Christina Rock.
I have before me a plea form that indicates that she's going to be pleading guilty to the charge of use of a controlled substance, a 1-year offense. Upon her successful plea to that charge, counts 1 and 2 would be dismissed. There is further a sentence agreement to sentencing under 7411.
That is our correct understanding of the offer, Your Honor.
I could add the defendant's form.
Please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm in the matter now pending before this court, the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Lower your hand, state your name, spell it for the record, please.
Mary Rapp, MaryRaupp.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of the use of a controlled substance. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration or $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes,
And understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty?
I do.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes,
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
I have.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, sir.
Please look at paragraph 5 on that form. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up the right to appeal of right.
Yes,
Are you on probation or parole?
I'm not.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No,
You're doing this voluntarily
I am.
of your own free will
Yes.
and because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
Date of February 8th, 2025 at the location of 2376 Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. Were you in possession of an amphetamine?
I was, yes.
Pardon?
Yes, I was.
Had you used it?
I did.
Did you have a prescription for the?
No,
All right. And you knew what you were using was that amphetamine.
I did.
Ma'am, if I accept your plea, I have to advise you that if you commit misconduct between the time I accept your plea and the time of your sentencing, first of all, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None, Your Honor.
People are not aware.
And have I complied with the court?
People are satisfied.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 3. Counts 1 and 2 are dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14A1 probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
January 14th at 9 a.m.
January 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. That is before B.
Thank you very much.
Bond with its conditions will continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You may want to stop at probation on the left-hand side.
We have discussed that, Your Honor. She's prepared to do so.
But did you give her adequate directions? Did you?
I believe I did. And she saw it.
He told you it was kind of whatever, right? Yeah, he didn't know where he was telling you. All right. Thank you, man. All right, that's it for that block.
Good afternoon, Judge. Today's the date and time. Oh, state your name, please.
Andre Taylor.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for probable cause conference. At this time, I was just appointed yesterday, so I am asking for a brief adjournment for discovery and plea negotiations.
Well, and certainly I'll grant that. You aware your client has filed a motion to dismiss?
I am, Judge. We're withdrawing that at this time. I explained he did that before I was appointed, and since now he's represented, I've explained the process and how this works and how that's not an appropriate use of the court's time, and to not do it again. And we are withdrawing that motion.
Can I get a copy here? I don't know that yet.
Do you really want one?
Yes, please.
No.
Isn't that great? I'll send it to you.
I'll indicate defendant's motion to dismiss is withdrawn. I'll adjourn this probable cause conference December 30th,
Thank you, Judge.
2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me check my hallway real quick.
Court calls case, People versus James Simmons.
Actually, I'll check people.
Assistant Public Defender Dante Leba on behalf of Mr. Simmons, who is making his way to the podium. Mr. Simmons, could you please tell the court your name?
James Simmons. Thank you.
And Your Honor, we'd like to set this matter for preliminary examination, please.
All discovery is completed.
It is, Your Honor.
People have the witnesses available the 16th. Preliminary examination in person will be set December 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case of the people versus Brandon Sims.
Assistant Public Defender Dante Leba on behalf of Mr. Sims. Mr. Sims, can you tell the court your name, sir?
Brandon Patrick Sims.
Thank you. Waiving.
He is, Your Honor, and I have reviewed the associate rights with him, and he is prepared to waive those.
So you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination.
Yes, sir.
You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed.
Yes.
You understand that you'll not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, sir.
All right. People also waive the right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on count 1 with 2 following.
Thank you, Your Honor. We acknowledge receipt of the information, waive formal reading, and stand mute.
Brennan, having waived formal reading, standing mute to both counts, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
January 27th at 1:30 with Judge Cummings.
January 27th, 2025, or 26, 1:30, bless you, before Judge Cummings.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Bond continued. Court calls case People versus Joseph Smith.
Andrew Childress.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Joseph Smith.
2 cases.
Yes. Mr. Smith, can you state your name?
Joseph King Smith.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment so that Mr. Smith and I can talk more about the cases and I can speak with the prosecutor.
And do what?
Speak with the
and
prosecutor.
then talk to the prosecutor. Probable cause conference will be adjourned to December 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the People versus Taj Smith. You okay?
I'm all right.
You sure? You know, we worry about you. You just take your time.
Assistant Public Defender Chidadri Kyriakis, on behalf of Mr. Taj Smith. Mr. Smith, state your name for the record.
Todd Smith.
Thank you. So you have, hold up. Now, there are some green sheets of yours that are missing.
For my cases.
Well, just listen, just listen. And so you came up like with a deck of cards early this morning and like fanned all of those out that you didn't fill them out. Miss Akinruli, hand me those ones that are in your hand. Are they filled out? Oh, so maybe. But I thought, no, I don't. You're seeking an adjournment. All right, I'm going to adjourn your case to December 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. All right. Thank you. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Angel Snow. Now she goes sit over there and tell him out.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Ms. Snow. Ms. Snow, you see for the record.
Angel Snow.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment. We are missing media discovery. I believe that was sent to our office yesterday. However, I am asking if the court would consider a lengthier adjournment. Ms. Snow is asking if the date could be set into early January, on being because of her a work schedule, and end of the year is very busy for her at work. The other part is that part of the discovery that is potentially missing is a recording by the complaining witness that is very relevant to the case. Ms. Dan, I wasn't sure if her office has that yet or not. So we'll need to follow up if they don't have it. We'll need some additional time to receive that.
January 8th for that.
We'd appreciate that.
Any objection from the people?
No, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned. That will work for you, ma'am?
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay. January 8th, 2026, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates, bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
We'll be in touch with her.
Court calls the case People versus Kimberly Stampley.
For the people.
Stampley, you can approach it.
Ms. Stampley, could you please state your name for the record?
Kimberly Stampley.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello. I have before me a plea form. Is that
Yes, Your
what we're
Honor.
doing?
It's a no contest plea.
Did
The
I
plea-
get this one?
Did you get what?
Stampley?
So we're gonna ask for
How
an
do
adjournment.
I have a no contest plea of something I didn't get within the time limits, Ms. Cannon?
Your Honor, so the police report was provided to your office, but Ms. Stampley was sent to rehab before she could sign the plea form. So,
I get
yes.
it, but I'm just talking in terms of process. I don't read the police report. I got a lot to read.
I
Don't
understand.
read the police report without a context to it. The only way I can have a context to it is by the plea form.
That's,
I did not have the plea form at all, whether filled out, signed or not. I just didn't have it.
that's fair, Your Honor. Didn't have it.
I know it's fair because I said it.
Yes, Your Honor. 100% agree with the court, Your Honor. Can we have
Yeah,
a
right.
week adjournment?
You didn't have to patronize me. I'm going to adjourn this out, ma'am. I hope you can understand why. I'm not looking to delay you at all or anything. It's just that I want to make sure that I thoroughly review everything that's in front of me.
Okay,
Okay?
no problem. Your Honor.
And since it's Miss Cannon's fault,
Yes.
what day
Thank
would
you,
work
Ms.
better
Stampley.
for you? The 30th or the January 8th? I'll let you choose.
The
ma'am.
30th?
The
She said
30th?
Yep, the 30th.
Sure,
will be
that'll
okay.
work better for you?
Yes.
Okay, I hope you weren't asking Miss Cannon because I don't care what she thinks.
And that's fair as well.
Got it.
December 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. Where's your invite indicates.
Okay.
Will continue. Okay, ma'am.
I think there's only one there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.